Look at that, guys. Oh, we've never seen this before, don't we?
No, I haven't.
We've never seen this type of flowers or plants. Not unique. Look at that.
Are these all seeds right here?
This is how it is when it's
Looks like
baby.
But this is it's probably in the milkweed family.
yeah, this is similar to milkweed.
Look at that, guys.
It's in the milkweed family.
And look at when it gets into an adult. What's inside there?
That's a seed pod from it.
Wow.
It produces like a milkweed. These are the seeds.
These are the seeds?
That's a seed right there.
Oh. That's the seed, guys.
It even has a funny name. Balloon plant.
Put it in your pocket.
Well, that makes sense. It's called a balloon plant.
Huh? Oh, it's a balloon plant. They call this. So they call that a balloon plant. It's from Southeast Africa. That's unique. Huh?
A pepper.
It does not gonna live in our house. Look at this paper. Oh. This is paper too. It's ornamental paper. Again. It's a purple plush. Look. It's so cute. You know, guys? That's really cute. Oh, it's little small. This flower called musical notes. The reason why they call this musical notes is also from East Africa. Because look at the flowers. It's like,
Do you hear that?
look at that. Look at that, guys. Did you see that, guys? It's cute, right? And then they also have a paper. This paper is purple. Look at that, guys. Oh? It's cute. A salad in one bucket.
Just another one.
Look at that. Sweet potato. And then another capsicum.
Why do they call it the tangerine dream?
Look at that. Oh, look at the silly, guys. Oh, we have this in Philippines. We have a lot of this in Philippines. They call this a bird paper. We have that in the Philippines. And this is also another salad right here, guys. It's delicious. This is my favorite sweet potato salad right here. It's more flavorful than the green one. And then a pepper. Yummy.
It says don't touch or eat any of the peppers.
No, we didn't.
They're spice out.
We didn't eat anything at all.
Don't touch them either.
Oh, I did.
Burning sensation.
Oh no. I don't get born. I'm used to it. I grew up in the jungle.
Well,
But the guys, Book Tower Garden. Make you the world a bit better or more beautiful because you have lived in it. Welcome to Book Tower Garden, everyone. This is our first time here. What?
There's a hummingbird, ibis, butterfly. There's owls, burning owls over there. And cardinals.
Wow, that's cute. It's unique. This building is uniquely built. Look at all those. Look at all the tiles, guys. Anyway, today is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
An alligator over there.
And happy Father's Day to everyone around the world.
Happy Father's Day.
Oh, there's alligator, guys, right in the hallway. It's a big alligator. Make of it the most beautiful spot on earth where the bird and human can rest and find themselves. This cute pathway. Huh?
Cobblestone?
That's nice. Oh, look at this. Look at that, guys.
yes.
Look at that. That's cute. This gives us idea, guys. How to raise a air plant. Just look at that, guys. They just tie a wire on it and put it in a nylon. That's cute, Daddy. That's really cute. Spice up your summer at the garden. We have grown a variety of ornamental and edible peppers, and we have our favorite types. Heat-resistant and drought-tolerant peppers add plenty of colors and contrast to your home, garden, or landscape. I wonder why they have a lot of peppers here, guys. So they love peppers. Peppers are delicious. Adds appetite to our meal, right? Oh, this one, they call this black olive.
Yeah, it looks like a black.
I thought this is the same as over there in the front. It's not. Oh, this looks like olive. Flower. Oh, I love that pink flower. Look at this. See, every places we've seen flowers that we don't see in other places. Isn't it unique? This flower looks like we can eat it. Oh, this is the flower.
What? I don't know which one that is.
Oh no, it's different, but it looks like it. Oh yeah, it is. This flower looks like, you know, you can mix. This is edible flowers. This is edible flowers. It's cute.
Use your plant identifier.
Oh yeah.
That's true. Where's your phone? Forgot your magic phone.
Power.
What's the name of it?
Begonia Crociana, angel wing begonia.
Oh, angel.
Angel wing begonia.
Looks that way.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it is. It's same.
Angel wing begonia.
So they call that an angel. That flowers right there, guys. They call that an angel wing begonia. It is native to the Atlantic forest of Brazil.
Hey, that's my country.
Oh yeah. So they have a lot of flowers here that are from Africa, from mostly down south, no, Africa and South America. No, look at this. This is their menu online. Under prices. Asian noodle salad. It's $11. What?
Well, obviously, he wanted to take care of the animals.
That's true. The owner's purpose of this, having this a big property, so he can take care of
The animals.
animals.
And so people can enjoy it.
Yeah, so people can enjoy. So then
Power that way.
he donated this place to the Florida state, and that's why it is still exists today. It's nice in here. My God, imagine if you have a property like this there.
Never been. I was so disappointed and I was so hot. Like, I was like sweating.
Yeah, it's so peaceful and quiet here. May ligid-ligid diha, magdalag banig.
Wouldn't it be nice if we had a big park like this, where we lived?
Oh,
Five Cents is a nice park.
yeah, Five Senses is a nice park.
It is nice.
Very nice.
Maybe this goes around. Yeah, like that. Who is that guy?
There.
Yeah. Oh, here's the tower, guys. That's the famous book tower. That's a very, very kind dedication.
Did you go inside?
I don't know until we walk up there. I have no idea.
I heard bells coming from the tower.
Yeah? I don't hear.
They play at 9:30.
In 10 minutes, they'll probably ring again.
Oh.
Probably every half an hour or hour. Garden
Okay.
of Eden.
What?
That's what it's, but